Well, hello there, everybody. This is ATrueNerd here, and we are again looking at, well, making that little Pong game, quick little Pong game. So here we are. We got it in a browser. We got our infinitely fast enemy AI. Can't get anything in on him. He is just too good. Okay. Well, enough of that. He can even go off the screen. So let's shut that down. So what I want to do is I want to make a few sound effects, and I want to put them in the game. So what do we have when we're playing Pong? I mean, we don't have much. We've got a bounce. We've got a score. So let's see here. I'm going to use this BFXR. You can get it standalone. Let's see here. Pitch jump. And what I do is sometimes I'll just I'll randomize it. Master volume. Pick up. Let's see. It's got to be short. That will make a good. Pardon me. I'm really sniffly. So let's play it. That will make a good bounce. Let's export the wave. I'm gonna put it. Let's see here. I've got a place for that. Games. And I call it Pong mounts. Yeah, as you can see, I've put other waves in here before. Let's do that. And let's make. Okay, I want something for when you score. Okay, let's. I like that one. Let's play it again. Good. Export that wave. Pong score. We'll call that. Let's see here. I mean, we can play around with this. Let's see. Punch. I mean, there are so many different variables here. Sometimes it's just worth just hitting it over and over and over again. Let's see. I think I like that for if the enemy scores on you. Let's export that. Pong AI score. We'll call it that. See, there we go. And then we'll put these all into the. Let's see, and one more. Let's go. Let's have. Ooh, I like that. That will be for when the ball is created. Let's go. Pong. Create ball. Save. So let's go in here. Let's sounds. Create sound. Let's go. Oh yeah. So go like so. Come on. Call it sound create. just see what does it say it is? Does it say what kind of output it is? Um, hmm. I don't know whether it's hmm. Let's see something here. Hang on. Let's go GameMaker. Hmm. Oops. Dumb. Properties. Oh, it doesn't seem right. 705 kilobits per second. Well, whatever. We'll use it as is then. Let's go. Where was I? I'll go 190. Well, just leave it at that. That's okay. Let's create all our sounds. Bounce it a bounce. So, okay. And one more. What do we have? Just standard score. Okay, so standard stuff. We're all golden. Let's see. What I'm going to start with, just, let's take a look at the wall. Now, okay, you're going to have to forgive me because I don't remember. Sound. Play. I don't know if this works anymore. Let me just see here. Sound. Bounce. There is something else that I think I have to do. We might want to turn down the master volume too, just when the game starts, so it doesn't blow people's fucking eardrums. That doesn't work at all. There's something, if I turn it to, let's see here. Sound. Hmm. You're gonna have to pardon me for a minute. Go. Should be something here. Sound. Particles, mouse, miscellaneous. That's interesting. There's no sound. Oh yeah, audio. Audio play sound. Okay. Okay, so here we go. Audio play sound. So, oops. Okay, I'm just going to copy that for now. Pardon me. Let's copy that. Let's Control C. Actually, let's see if it works at all. Okay. Okay, I'm going to close that. Okay, I'm going to put when it hits with the ball. That's good. And the player paddle. Okay. Now what I want when the when we score. So I think that is part of the ball logic. Now I want that, but I want to go call it score. And I'm going to call this, so this is when it goes into the player's net. AI score. Also, let me just take a look at the player paddle here for one moment. Oops, wrong event. So, 31 and 167. The AI paddle, let's go step. So no matter what I'm going to do is I'm going to go like this. If y less than 31, y equals 31. If y is more than 167, then y equals 167. Just so it can't go off the page. So it doesn't go into the bricks there. So no matter what it does, it'll snap to those ends. Let's see, oh wait, one more. And create. I guess hearing the score sound from my side, I'll never. So you know what you can do with that. What we can do is, okay, so we know that the walls are 16. Okay, I mean, that's a pretty rare bug, but it's a bug nonetheless, and that's going to bother me. Let's go like this. So, we know that the ball should never be, take a look at the ball, Now, what we want to do is I'm going to add an event. Oh no, cancel. Never mind. We got a step event. I'm going to say if y is less, let me see here. We got 16, so that's 15 plus 4 is less than 19. Then y equals 19. This prevents it. In this case, I mean, we could fix a collision, but it's because it had too much velocity when it went into the wall. Actually, you know what? We can't. Oh no. So we could check for its h speed or its v speed, and if it's heading away from me, then I don't care, right? However, if it's stuck inside, I guess I don't care. Let me see here. Let's do this. Let's do this correctly. Let's look at the wall, because this is the problem. If it winds up inside the wall, and it's at just the right angle, it will just bounce around inside. However, let's see here. I'm going to go my y equals y plus 8. I'm just going to call that my midpoint. If, let's go other point y is more. So let's say, so it's on the bottom. Let's assume that it's on the bottom of the top wall, because the wall is the same regardless. They're two of the same object. So we're going to go like this. Other point y is more than my y, and v speed is more than 0, then exit. If other point y is less than my y, and I mean, I could take this out. I could put this actually in the creation of a wall instead of calculating it every time. But who cares? It doesn't matter right now. And v speed less than 0, then exit. Let's see if that works. I mean, I won't be able to tell if it. I could force it into the wall, but if it works properly, then we're okay. Okay, I see. Okay. Okay, so what I'm going to do too, so I'm going to go like this. Let's put a few finishing touches. Let's go into our controller. Let's draw. And remember, we draw from the top. So I'm gonna copy this because it's gonna be the same color, but I'm gonna use white. Or am I? No, I'll use. Yeah, I'll use white, I guess. Go C black, C green. Okay, I'm gonna go. I don't know if that's a color. Let's go C white. I don't know if we'll be able to see it on there though. Okay, so I'm gonna go 5, 4. This is 5. And I'm gonna go. Let me think here. So 200, that's 196, that's 186. I'm gonna go 190. And this one is going to be 189 and 6. Oh, that's going to be 4. Okay, so we're going to get rid of whatever's in here. We're going to go delete. We're going to tell the player to R to. I don't know if all that text will fit on there, but we'll see. R to restart. And what I could do is I could just load this into a string, which would actually probably be the best thing. And then do it in that way. I don't have to change both, but let's see how that worked. Okay. And I'm going to shift it over. Actually, I might just keep it where it is. I'm going to move it up a few pixels, though. And we're going to make it so that R does, in fact, restart. We're going to go, pardon me, keyboard. Where is it? No, it's not asynchronous. Not all there. Okay, global mouse, that's not what I want. Keyboard. I knew it, like I know what I'm looking for, but I thought there might be let's go letters. Let's go R. So we can do one of two things. We can restart the room, which might be let's just do that right now. Or room restart, sorry. Yeah. And now reset the game. It'll reset your score and everything, right? Because your controller's there and all that jazz. Move it up a couple pixels. Go 188, 87, 25, 20, 24. Okay. Pardon me. Let's see what happens when we restart. Let's hit R. Okay, so it just puts it back. So, I think that's about it. Let's go. So what we need to do now, we have to make this fair. Let's go. I'm going to move that over even more. I like it right in the center. Let's go 64. Not quite. Good enough, though. I think I'll call that good. What we want to do, we want to make it so that the AI paddle's fair. So, let's see here. Let's give it. What I want to do is I want to see. Let's go. If the player is ahead by, okay, y equals found point y. Y, let's go. Let's make it seem like it's almost like alive or fast. So we're gonna go like this. I'm gonna go y dist equals found point y minus y. Now let's see here. Let's just make it very basic this time again. Let's go y plus equals y dist divided by 5. And let me think here. If is less than 16, then y dist equals 0. So it will stop. It's not going to go fucking flying all over the place trying to seek its location. So, does that make sense? Yes. Let's try it. Should look almost as though something's controlling it, instead of just being amazingly fast. Oh dear. Something I'm doing here it doesn't like. Oh, yeah. Sometimes when you have a bad variable, an uninitialized variable, it coughs. And especially in HTML5, it sometimes just won't tell you. Maybe in debug mode it will, but or am I wrong? Am I a big dummy? What happens? Like this. Because what works on the PC does not necessarily work in HTML5. See, okay, there we go. So it's not moving. There's something wrong here. Y dist. Do I have something else? It's less than 16, then y dist equals 0. The absolute. Let's see. I have a feeling it might be that. See, where's this false assignment? Let's see. Let's go like this. Go back to Windows. It'll tell me more. Oh, you know what? Because I'm a big dummy. Okay. Let's go like this. I forgot. There's a reason why I put this here. This found equals no one. So I go like this. Edit. Let's go. Cut it. And then like this. Okay. So if there is in fact something to seek out, right? It was referencing a non-object. So let's try that. Hmm. See, and if I it may not be beatable yet. Got two of them. So my little fix didn't work. Okay. Let's just look at this. And V speed. Oh! Of course V speed is 0. Joy. See? So you gotta check shit out sometimes. So you don't always follow my example. Well, never do, because I'm always forgetful. So he can move way too fast. So, let me see here. So we have, yeah, because he can get there in 5 frames. Let's go 20. Let's go half a frame, or 1/3 of a second, I should say. Should be able to get anywhere in 1/3 of a second. I think my little fix for the wall worked. Okay. Let's see here. Let's see. I think it moves pretty good. Let's reduce this to 8, and I'll hit it more on the sides. Or let's go 10. It'll always try to hit it on the on the sides, not dead nut center. We could slow him down even more. I think it's a little difficult. Let's go 15. And maybe I will bring him back out. Sorry. We're going to bring him back out to 12. 13. Hits right on the corner. So it will bring it. It'll always almost miss. So it'll be a little bit easier. Look a little better. Okay, so what I want to do, you know what we're going to do? We're going to make this kind of an interesting challenge. Let's go like this. Let's go. I'm going to go score diff equals global point score or player score minus point AI score. Okay, so if I'm ahead, let's say I'm ahead, I'm going to call this score diff. This is fine. We are going to go if it's less than 0, score diff equals 0. Then if let's say it's more than 10. See, and what we can do is we can skew it so that if, yeah, let's do that. So he is easy enough to beat. But let's go divided by 15 minus score diff. So if he's really if you're far ahead, there's not a fucking chance you're gonna win. So your score being ahead. Let's do that. Okay. And you know what we can do? We can do this. We can go. So what is 15 minus negative 5? Well, that's 20. So if the enemy's far ahead, let's go if it's less than negative 10 equals negative 10. So we have a maximum at least, right? So let's do that. So if I'm way behind, he gets real hard to beat. I'm gonna purposely lose here. Okay, so he should be easy to beat at this point if he's way ahead. Oh. There we go. Well, I think that's pretty good. I think, I mean, as far as I really want to bring a Pong game, to be honest with you, it's not like I want to elaborate too much more on it. I think I think we're gonna make another game. Well, I am. I'm gonna make a different game relatively soon. Yeah, I mean, you could spruce it up a bit. You could give it a little, like, when the ball is created, you could give it like a little puff or a puff of smoke or some, some particles, to show that it, poofed into existence. I think I like the AI the way it is. It feels like it's, you know, a little different. Um, you could now, let's just see if it works in HTML5. Let's play it. Let's do it. Okay. So there we go. We could embed this onto a web page of some sort, and you would have your very own Pong game. As much fun as it is. Let's see how the restart works. Let me hit it a few times. Okay. Okay. Anyways, this has been a true nerd here, and we're just kind of finished making Quickie Pong. So I think maybe next time like I said, I'm gonna make something a little different. You guys have a good day or night or whatever it happens to be. Remember to keep on building. Good night.